Hello, it's Prodigy Math Pirate here. I'm going to be showing you how to get this really looking cool pet. And it's a cool looking dragon thing. It's called an embershed. Look at this. It just looks so cool. Like, I know, right? It's like a huge dragon thing. Like, it's like everybody's favorite pet in Prodigy. I bet you probably really want it to. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to get it. So one way to get it, well, you're going to have to be in Bonfire Spire. That's the first thing. And the thing is that you have the first way is that you have to catch a Burnute, which my mouse is scrolling around right here, or whatever it's called. This thing right here. Yeah, you have to catch that, and then you have to evolve it 3 times. In its first evolution, it evolves into a Singanute, and then evolves into an Infernute, and then evolves into an Embershed. That is very highly unlikely. So how did I know that? So you know in the Coliseum battles in Waypoint Town, so the pets that they have, like Krios, the last guy, he had like an Embershed and all those sets, and then at the end, he had a Burnute, and then at the end, his last pet I had to defeat was an Embershed. I'm like, wait, does that evolve from that? Because it looks like it. It actually does. So yeah, evolve a Burnute 3 times, and on its 3rd evolution, it's going to turn into an Embershed, which is just this really cool thing. Yeah, everybody wants to have this thing right here. Yeah. Its evolutions are really similar, but it will be different at the very end. Alright, there's actually another way to catch it, but this is a super rare trick that some people might know. So what you need to do is that it rarely spawns. This rarely happens. So what you need to do is you need to go to the Royal Kitchen in Bonfire Spire. Remember the Burnute? You could catch that in Bonfire Spire too. You need to go down the stairs into the place called Royal Kitchen. So an Embershed may rarely spawn here. So you just want to, like, yeah, it can rarely spawn here. Like, it just is so cool, and you can catch it. I see this guy on YouTube do it. It rarely spawned, and he did it. He had to like escape like 2 or 3 times because he really wanted to catch it. You know the difference? Well, the thing is that you find it here rarely. You don't have to evolve the Burnute 3 times. You know the main difference? The main difference is that when you evolve a Burnute 3 times and turn it into an Embershed, it has less health. But when you catch Embershed rarely, it has the most health. Wait, what? You say what? Yeah, so the thing is that, yeah, when you catch evolved pets, sometimes they just like they just have the same moves, they stay as they are. When you catch an Embershed that's right here, and that rarely spawns, it always spawns in Royal Kitchen over here. It can do fire and thunder moves. It has really powerful health. It actually is equivalent to a hot pot. It like has the same health as a hot pot at level 100. Yeah, it's the same as this. Yeah, it also could do fire and thunder moves if you catch it from the rare site over here. If you do evolve it from Burnute, it could just do all fire spells, has low health, which is not good. But if you want to catch it and show your friends, I guess it's good. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want any other tutorials, you can post them down in the comments below. And yeah, goodbye.